Asteroid collisions with Earth have been explained by scientists to emphasize the importance of planetary defense. This hypothetical asteroid scenario illustrates how an asteroid threat could develop over several years and the potential effects of such a strike. On January 10, 2023, a new asteroid named 2023 PDC is discovered. It is initially designated as a potentially hazardous asteroid. As asteroid tracking facilities on Earth continue to follow the rock, better constraining its orbit around the Sun, the impact probability of 2023 PDC increases. NEO Program Manager explains that despite this decade-plus preparation time, important decisions must be made now despite the potential impact date of October 22, 2036. As the 13-year lead time approaches, astronomers will begin to refine their calculation of the asteroid's size. It is estimated that the 2023 PDC will measure between 720 and 2,200 feet, 220 to 660 meters, but it may be as wide as 1.3 miles, 2 kilometers. Asteroid size determines not only how much damage it does, but also what measures must be taken to divert it, or if this can be done at all. Global catastrophe-causing asteroids with diameters of around 3,300 feet, 1 kilometer, are estimated to strike the planet about once every 700,000 years. Asteroids that are large enough to cover 3 miles, 5 kilometers, in width are predicted to strike Earth only once every 30 million years or so. Therefore, this one does not need to be worried about.